I have my lamb chops here. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to them and some pepper, and just let these sit out and come to room temperature for about 30 minutes and allow the salt to get inside. I may let them sit out 45 minutes, and we'll go to the next step. I have a hot pan. Let's add some olive oil. I'm not using expensive olive oil, just cheap olive oil. Let's add our chops to the pan. We'll have one more. I'll just stick right there and cook these up. It's been a minute and a half. I'm going to give these a turn. Go. We're getting there. And I will cook these for 2 more minutes. Let's take them out. I have my oven on warm, and I'm going to put them in the oven while I make the sauce. And we'll add shallot, about 2 tablespoons. Add some rosemary. And turn the heat down just a bit to medium-low. I was on medium before. And 3 garlic cloves. And just cook this up for about a minute. It's been about a minute. I can smell the garlic. Add some wine. And about a cup of wine. And let that reduce. That sauce has, the wine sauce has reduced about 2 minutes. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of cream. I'm going to add about 2 ounces of blue cheese. You know, you can add more if you like, just to your liking. Let this cheese melt in. When the cheese is kind of solid like this, it melts better than the crumbles that you would buy at the store. So let this sauce come together. I have it plated up. I start with sauce in the plate, and I did cook that sauce 4 minutes to reduce. Then I add the mashed potatoes and then the lamb chops. So let's give it a try. They're cooked fairly well done. Very, very tender and very good. Thank you so much for watching.